Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle of Four Stars Sudoku in today's newspaper on Monday, December the 30th, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the Three Stars Sudoku. So two puzzles are left: the binary and the Four Stars Sudoku. By the way, in today's newspaper we have also an additional with 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now, but in the evening. News of the day, well, I've told you 450 days ago another war started. Not in Ukraine, but in Israel. And the war is still going on, yes. Yeah, enough about the war. Yeah. Alright, this one will be number 9814. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, 26 printed digits. Same like before. Usually the 4 stars Sudoku has 24 printed digits. This one has 2 digits more. Should be a 2 stars. 2 stars puzzle. I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with 4 stars. 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place level 1 should be there. Need an 8 here, need a 9 there. Yep, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 in these 2 boxes. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between. Middle column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the second row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 9, 9. Then 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next, so last column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in the first row, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8, 8. Yeah, I need an 8 here. Well, 1, need a 1 here. Need a 3 there. Need a 5 here. 3, 5. Need a 2 here. Come on, come on, come on. 3 in the last row. 3 in a row above. So that row, the only place level 3 should be there. 3. Need 8 here, need an 8 there. In this row, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this row should be there. So 3 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers. 1 is missing, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1, 2, 6. Okay, 1, 2, 6. So I need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. Need a 7 here. Need a 1 here. 1 in one of those 3 boxes in this row, 1 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 3 missing numbers now in this column. 4 numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 1, 6, 7. Okay. Need an 8 here. 8. Need a 9 there. 9 in this last row, 9 in that row. So no row 3. The only 2 places left for 9 should be here. Out there we have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 1, 2, 6. 3, need a 4, need a 5, need a 7. We have a 7 in the last column, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left on the 7 in this big square. Show it there. So 2 numbers left, I believe. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, 5 is missing. 4 to 5, 4 to 5. So 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here. Oh, there we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column. No 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column. 5 in the column next. So that column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers 1. We have 1 in this column, no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and the 3. So 1 digit left in this column, I believe the 6 here. Yeah, 1, 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. So the other 2 should be the 1 and the 2 are left. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. 1 box left now in the last column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4 is missing. 2, the 4, 2, the 4. We have a 2 in the middle row. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes. And there. 2, 2. Okay, 6 and the 7 are left. Only the 1 here. 1, 6, 7. So these 3 should be the 2, 3. Well, the 3 should be here. 5 should be here. 3, 5. 3, 5. 2. And I need an 8. 8. Yeah, 8 in this row. 8 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left, 8 should be here. Oh, there we have an 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. So the 1, 6, 7. 1 of the missing number in this big square is number 5. We have a 5 in the second row. No 5 in these 3 boxes. We have 5 in the middle column. No 5 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. 1, 6, 7. So the other 2 numbers should be there. 1. 2 is missing, 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. Then the 5 here. Okay. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left, 8 should be here. Oh, there we have 8 in the middle row, no 8 there, 8 should be here. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 7 is missing, 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. Cannot fill this yet. Here also 6 and 7. 6, 7 and the. I need a 2 here in this big square. Yeah, 2 in this row, 2 in the last row, so the row between the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. So the 7 and the 6 are left. We have a 7 in the last row, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 6 goes there. 7 and the 6, we have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 7 goes there. Need a 6 here. Need an 8 here. 1 box left now in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Need a 7 there. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. Let me mark those. So we need an 8 here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 2, 8, 9. 2, 8, 9, 2, 8, 9, 2, 8, 9. Look, we have a 2 and 8 in this column, so no 2 and 8 in this box. 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left should be the 9. 9 in this column, 9 in the second column, so the third column, there are only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 in the third row, no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 1, 6, 7. Here we have 1, 6, 7, but also in the second row we need also 1, 6, 7. 1, 6, 7, 1, 6, 7, 1, 6, 7. And look, we have a 1 and a 7 in this column. No 1 and a 7 in this box. 1 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 7, 1 and a 7. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here 7 goes there, so 1 digit left should be the 6. So here 2 numbers left, the 7 and the 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then let me see. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And I need a 5 here. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row, so the third row. Only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3 here. 2, 3, and I need a 4 here. 4, 4. Yeah. Here we have a 4. Here we have a 4. That means 1 digit left in this column should be the 4. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing here. Okay. 4 and the 5, we have a 4 now in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 5 in this row. 5 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left. The 5 could be here. Could be there. Well, we have another 5 in the first column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 6 goes there. 2 and 8, we have 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 or a 3, we have a 2 now in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 3. 4 and a 6, we have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing. And the 4 is missing. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. 1 minute more than the previous Sudoku. Well, it's indicated by 4 stars. Well, is this really a 4 stars? No. Should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 30 minutes, so I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last regular puzzle, the binary puzzle. Until then, bye bye for now.